Hey, what's going on, everybody? St. R. Edwards here. Welcome back to the Ski Channel Swift Coding for Everyone. We're on to lesson 2.6 in the book, App Development with Swift, and we're going to talk about loops in this section. In this particular video, we're going to talk about for loops, or what you also can call for in loops, and we're going to get to that. So basically, what loops do is they allow you to do a repetitive task in your app that would otherwise require lots of lines of code. So within just a few lines, you could do something very, very repetitive. Something like, something easy for us, like, fill up a water bottle. You fill up a water bottle until it's full, or or any other thing that you can think of that's repetitive in nature. All right, so go ahead and open up a new playground and save it to your projects file, and we're going to get started. So one of the first words that you use, obviously, is the word for. So in this case, we're going to do this. So we're going to say for, and we'll say number in 1 through 5, print this number is, and then we'll just say number. All right, so down in our console, you're going to see this number is 1, and then 2, 3, all the way through 5. Okay, so in this case, number acts as a constant, and it has the ability to perform the work that you need done. Is able to modify itself. So within this first loop, obviously number takes on the number 1 because we did a range that is inclusive. So it included the number 1 all the way up to the number 5. So for the first time it looped, it was number 1, and then second it was 2, and on through the number 5. All right. So let's say you didn't need to use the index is what that is. The actual number or a constant in your loop. You can do this. So you can say for, and you can do underscore in 1 through 3. And you can say print what's up. All right. And so down at the bottom in our console, we have what's up printed 3 times. All right. So we didn't have to use the actual index in this particular case. All right. So another thing you could do with for loops is you could you could print out names in an array. So you can do this. You can say, so we'll say let names equals, and we'll say John, and we'll say Jacob, and then we'll say Jingleheimer Smith. His name is my name too. All right, so John Jacob Jingleheimer Smith. All right, so we'll do this. So we'll say for name in names, and we can say print, and we'll say hello, and then we'll say name is my name too. Let's say his name is my name too. There we go. Hello, John. His name is my name too. Hello, Jacob. His name is my name too. Hello, Jingleheimer Smith. His name is my name too. Cool. So you got that. All right. So another thing you could do with arrays or with for loops or for in loops is you can create a tuple. So basically what that is, what a tuple is it basically can return two things. It can return the key or the index, and it can also return the value. And we're going to use a dictionaries case in this particular instance. So we'll do this. So I know the NBA All-Star, the All-Star game 2018 is coming up here pretty soon, in January 2018 when I'm currently recording this video. And there's a big thing going on between Team LeBron and Team Steph, who they picked. And it was interesting because LeBron reunited KD and Westbrook, of course, like a real true leader should, and a true competitor should, obviously. And so I'm gonna do this. So we're gonna say let Team LeBron equals. So we're gonna do a dictionary. It'll be string and int. So I'm gonna predict their scores, and you can do whatever you want to. You can do Team Steph. You can do you can do whatever the case may be. So we're gonna say James. I think James will have about, I'll say 38. And then we'll go Durant. We'll say 35. We'll give him his jersey number. Westbrook, they're probably gonna have like 200 points on each team. They play no defense in these games. Westbrook, he'll have, let's say, I'll give him 31. We'll say Davis. We'll say 29. And we'll say Porzingis. Kristaps Porzingis. He'll have 30. All right. And so now, like I said, we're going to utilize the tuple. Okay, so we're going to say this. So we're going to say 4, and then you do parentheses. So we're going to call it for player and score. We got the key and the value. In Team LeBron, and we're going to say print. We're going to do string interpolation. So we're going to say player will have score, another string interpolation, points in the 2018 NBA All-Star game. And no ejections. All right, so down here at the bottom, we've got Westbrook will have 31 points. We got Davis, James, Durant, and Porzingis. So we got all our players in there. Awesome. Another way you can utilize the tuple in the for-in loop situation is by using the enumerated method for strings or characters. So you can do something like this. We can say for index and letter in A, B, C, D, and we'll just use dot enumerated because the example in our book is currently deprecated. So it's no longer can you use dot characters and dot enumerated or whatever. You can just use this, the string itself. So we're going to do this. We're going to say print. And we're going to use some string interpolation. So we're going to say index. And then we're going to just say letter. The actual character itself. All right, let's see what we have down here at the bottom. So this, it turned it into basically like an array. All right, so the 0 index, we got A, and then B is at 1, C is at 2, and then D is at 3. All right, so guys, this is just a few things that you can do with for-in loops. There's a whole lot more. Make sure you research and do a little bit on your own Be sure to also practice. Stay tuned for more of the Ski channel, Swift Coding for Everyone. St. R. Edwards here checking out. You guys take care.